Ever get frustrated at work? This is how you make an origami dagger and sheath. Step 1, grab 2 pieces of printer paper. Take it like this, fold it in half. Step 2, just like you're making a paper airplane, open it back up, fold this corner in here, like that. Same thing this side. Again, just like we're making a paper airplane, take that other corner, fold it in again. Same thing on this side. Make sure you do a good job of trying to get your corners in there so it's nice and pointy. Next, take this bottom corner, just fold it over flat, just like this, where it touches the middle. Same thing with this side. Next, we're going to bring this over one more time, fold it right to the middle like that. Looking good. Same thing here on this side. Next, we're going to take this and fold it in half. Kind of really make it look nice and give it the shape we're looking for. All right, let's go ahead and set that aside here. Go ahead and build our handle. Let's do that. Grab yourself 2 more pieces of paper. Landscape, fold in half. Open this up. We want to put our dagger like this, right there. For this next part, grab yourself some glue. Stick some glue like that. Close this up. Next, we're going to take this and we're just going to start rolling it. Got a little bit left. I'm going to go ahead and fold that under like this. Grab my glue again. Take this opportunity to glue this part down. Just hold that for a minute. While we're waiting on that glue to dry, let's grab another piece of paper. Landscape, fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half a third time. Open it back up, and then now take this part and bring it over to the middle. Bring this side over to the middle like this. Now fold this up like, pull that half. Fold this guy in half again. Grab some scissors. For that, we take both of these, fold them in half. Our trusty glue stick. Throw some glue here. Let that dry. We'll hold these and let them dry for a minute. Grab some binder clips to hold that while it dries. All right, now that our dagger is complete, let's build a sheath for this. Let's grab another piece of paper. We don't want to fold it. We just kind of want to figure out how big we want this paper to be. Let's just do a little edge like this. Our dagger right there. Fold that over. Fold this. Just because we want to wrap it around the blade of this thing. Actually, let's go one more. Let's see how this thing is fitting. Pick this corner up. I'm going to fold this corner in like this. Fold that down. Now where's our glue stick? We'll take that and fold it up. And then that will complete our sheath. Slide our dagger right in there like that. There you go.